In this video, I'm going to show you on how to install the gateway. First of all, go to our Logiks solution platform and reach out to the module gateway. On the next page, you will see the gateway list of all gateways you have already installed. As you can see on my side, there is currently no gateway installed. To download the file for the gateway, please click on Windows Installer. Then automatically a download of the gateway exe will start. If you now have finished the download of the file, simply click on it to start the installation process. Now just follow the installation process to install a working gateway. First of all, set up the folder where you want to install the installation. And now go to your SAP system to check if it's an HANA or an SQL database. As you can see here on my side, it's an SQL 2019 database. So in the installation process, I will pick MS SQL 2019. On the next page, you have to provide all the connection settings and credentials to your database. All the connection settings, so in the first layer, you have to put in the IP address, which you can find in your SAP. And for the SQL user, you pick the user you need for your SAP login. The same for the password, and as a SLD registration, take the IP address again. So if you have entered all the data, simply click on Next, and there you will find the data for your data gateway installation. So now pick the user or the email you have choose to create the tenant in our web platform. And leave the internal IP address and the port number the same as it is, and click on Next. So now you have the option to give your data gateway in our platform an individual naming. So I would recommend to name it like your database, and probably at the end the name of the guy who is the admin of this gateway. Now go to Next and click on Install. Now it will take a few minutes or seconds to install the whole APK. If everything worked well, at the end you will enter in this screen and you can click on Finish. Now it will take probably 5 minutes to install the complete gateway and to finish the process, but you can always check it in your admin portal when you click on Gateway. Now there should be in the first list the gateway you have installed in this video. As you can see here in the connectivity, the gateway is already reachable, but it's currently not running. This is maybe because the gateway needs to install some applications in the background, so maybe you have to wait 5 or 10 minutes to see here the status running. And if at any point you have any questions or you couldn't get the right answer, simply click on our Logiks admin portal on the Help button, and you will be redirected to our external knowledge base, where you can find, for example, the installation manual. And there we have documented and written down a manual with screenshots on how to install. So you will see the whole process of installing the file and entering all the credentials for your database. So if you encounter any problems at any time, simply go to the Help button and read the document or the manuals